Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico, back with another video. Today I'm gonna teach all you youngsters how to make money online as a teen. So enough of me talking, let's jump right into it. Very first thing you need if you trying to make money online is an account, debit card of some sort. And I know you're thinking, oh, I'm dead now, bro. I'm under 18, I can't get one. But you're wrong, okay? Because I've done the research for you. And there's actually different loopholes and workarounds that you can do to actually get one of these accounts. All right, Google Pay and Apple Pay. If you have an iPhone, you can have an Apple Pay. What you can't do is get a card, right? What you can't do is get a card. Same thing with Google Pay. So those are both methods that you can use to receive money and send money, which is the foundation of making money online. The best play I found online is this service called Greenlight.com, and what it is it's a debit card, and it's for kids, and it's managed by parents. But what it does is, if you're a parent, you can set allowance controls, you can set spending limits, ATM limits. But it's a good service. And if I was a teen, I would go break in my mom's room right now and ask her, like, hey mom, can I get a Greenlight card? And I'll drop the link in here so you can show it to her. But trust me, ain't no parent gonna say no to a kid trying to make some money. The number one thing I'm gonna tell y'all before we even get into anything else is the online surveys thing. That is cap, ball cap. And cap stands for lies, fabricated. Let me tell you how that really works, okay? You take these surveys, and it's survey after survey after survey after survey, and realistically, for the type of, you'd have to do that for a really long time to see any type of return. And it's really not worth it. I also want to add that, look, there is no easy, fast, quick way to make money online. There isn't. There's not. As a teen, as an adult, as an elderly, as a baby, it ain't possible. But let me tell you how it is possible. This is, and these three ways are not in no order. This is just the way I sort of wrote them down. So the number one way that I'm gonna suggest that you as a teen make money online is on Instagram. Now I know what you're thinking. Like, I have an Instagram account. I don't know how to make money on Instagram. Well, there's something called an Instagram business account, and you can make you a new profile, convert that to a business account, find a niche, right? And a niche, however you pronounce it. Some people say niche, some people say niche. I say niche. Find you a niche. Then you target that niche. You build a page surrounding that niche, and there's ton of resources for you to learn how to organically grow a Instagram page to the point to where you can start charging for shout outs, charging for promotion. I actually bought some promotion from a 16-year-old kid, and he had a cool Lakers page, and I was making some Laker inspired, because I am a graphic designer, Laker inspired clothing, and I wanted to see if I could sell some. And I paid him $15 for a story post or whatever. But I'm assuming from what I've seen, he does that all day. So that's the number one way. Another thing I want to reiterate about Instagram to you is the importance of building it organically. Yes, you're going to have to engage with people. Yes, you're going to have to spend time building it. But some people, I bought a page, and I don't know if that person was a teen that I bought it from, but I bought a page before. People buy pages, but I said all that to say, it is really important that you do it organically, because people have ways of checking to see if it's authentic followers that are on this page. Okay, so you want to get the money, right? You want to make the money. So if you have authentic followers, authentic engagement, your page is more valuable. They paying you more. All right, the second way that I would say, all right, man, Rico, bro, you need some money, man. You a teenager, which I'm not, but you a teenager. You in the summer and you need some bread. You trying to go back to school fresh. All right. This is the second thing I would do. And I've done this in my adult life, but I know you could do this as a teen. If you can come up with a little capital, and what capital is basically money. But if you can come up with some money, okay, and it's not a large amount of money, man, go cut some grass, go wash your car, do some chores around the house, see if your mama let you borrow $25. But there's a site, and I'm sure you're aware of it by now. A lot of people use it to drop ship, and it's called Alibaba AliExpress. And you can buy wholesale items from China, have them shipped to your doorstep, and I'd probably ask your mom just to be safe, but have them shipped to your doorstep, and then boom, you can bust them down and sell them locally, or you can set up a little storefront, whether it's Instagram, any social media marketing platform. Make sure you ask your mom, and you can send these out. I personally just right before Christmas, I actually bought 25 screen protectors, or no, sorry, $25 worth of screen protectors. It was $25 for 100 of those. I sold all 100 of those, and there were screen protectors, and I remember it was around Christmas time, because I bought them because everybody was getting new iPhones for Christmas, so I knew people was gonna be looking for them or whatever. But this is how you got to think, even as a teenager. This is how you got to think, and these methods are available to you too. But I sold each and every one of them, and I made $500 profit. Easy, right? Well, it wasn't easy to sell them all. They didn't all sell in one day. So in the grand scheme of things, it was easy, but you still have to put in the groundwork. And I don't ever want to mislead none of y'all and make y'all think that none of this is easy, because it's not. But if you have it in you, then it becomes easy. And even if you don't, if you just stick through it, it'll start to become easy. But definitely, it doesn't have to be phone cases or phone protector screens. It could be something you're passionate about. They got AirPod cases. They got everything. But just make sure you ask your mom or dad or whoever and get the okay before you just get stuff sent to the house. But once again, I just find it hard to believe in 2020 that we have parents that don't want their kids to try to do things to make money. So yeah, I'll put the links in the description on that, but that's definitely a good lick for y'all. All right, so the last of my 3 ways on how to make money online if you're a teen should have actually been first. And why? Because it's actually the way I make my money today. That's how I make my living today. And that is getting online, getting on YouTube, and learning a skill. Now, not just any skill. Of course, we're talking about stuff we can do for people online. So graphic design is one of them, and everything that falls under the graphic design umbrella is logos, even video effects nowadays. Now, if you want to consider yourself a designer, you need to know some video editing and effects too. So that umbrella is wide, and that's something that someone in when I started doing graphic design, I was just posting it consistently. I didn't feel like I was good enough to be paid for it. And some guy from South Carolina just messaged me and said, hey man, I'll pay you $15 to do my album cover or whatever. And so that's how I made my first piece of money online, period. Now, where I want you to be better than me is that I didn't know what I wanted to do until I was 24. I'm 29 now. I'll be 30 on the 17th. This video probably gonna drop on the 16th, but that's neither here nor there. The facts is that you right now, with all the time you have this summer, during quarantine, you watch YouTube a lot anyway. I'm pretty sure you do. And if you don't, then you should start. But start learning how to do different skills. Maybe if you don't have the money to purchase online courses, I understand. I learned off of just flat out YouTube tutorials. And hey, you can within a span of 4 weeks, depending on how hard you go, and within a span of not even 4 weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, you can get to the point to where, hey, I'm doing $5 YouTube thumbnails, or hey, I'm doing $10 YouTube logos or whatever, and people will pay you. The internet is huge. So that's the last but not least way that I would make money online if I was a teen. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hope this was helpful. If it wasn't, man, let me know in the comments. Be like, hey bro, you're not teaching us right, bro. We trying to you know, we trying to learn, and I'll get you right. So I appreciate everybody who stuck around to watch and learn. I'm a student of the game too. So if there's anything you can teach me about getting better about my process, man, don't hesitate to let me know. So it's been real. All y'all youngsters, get out there and apply some of this stuff I told y'all in this video. Go ask your mom about the Greenlight card. And yeah, man, let's learn and get better. Let's get it. I'm signing off.